Now we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we want to see whether we should look for buy or sell, because if this one continue and break this low, we can look for next move up. But the only thing is, can we expect this one to be a flat for one more drop? Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it, because now what we have is a correction, and also we can expect this one to continue as a corrective. If we get this one, mostly we can get a really good trade for the up move. And if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, based on 1 hour chart, as you can see, after this sharp move, the price drop. Now we are within this correction. We want to see how we can look at this. And if we move to 4 hour chart, the only way we can look at this to put this one in relative to this for running flat for next move. Okay, that's mean for long term we're looking for buy, but the only thing is how we can trade this. As I mentioned, first of all, is breakout of the trend line. We don't need to care about the breakout, whether this one continues similar to what I draw here, because if we don't need to look for sell. Mostly we get a up move. But how about if this one turn to a flat? Still we can get one more drop. If we get a one more drop, as long as the price haven't broke this low, we're looking for running flat. Okay, now the thing is, but if there is a breakout, then the structure will be different. We need to see how deep it can go. Now the only thing is, if we want to look for trade, even if we put our line here, the best thing is we wait for the breakout of the stop with a short move flag for buy. Rather than that, we don't have any other trade setup unless this one drop and retest this low. Then maybe we can look for short move like within this correction, because at that time still we can expect the price to retest the top. But right now, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. Why? Because still we can expect this one turn to a flat for one more drop. Okay, unless this one turn, because we put this trend line here, still we can expect the price tag drop. If we get this move, then the next move with the breakout can give us a good trade setup. By the way, we are within this correction. We need to wait and see how this correction can form before we take the next trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.